All right, ladies, make sure they can see your numbers. All right, judges, are you ready? They are ready. All right, dancers, drummers, all ready.
Yeah.
Okay, we actually have one more group in the 11 to 13 category. Sorry, ladies, so we'll be bringing up one more group after this. And while they're tabulating, I do want to give a shout out to all of the amazing volunteers, Lake Polynesia families, and some of our friends who have helped us late into the night last night and early this morning. Thank you to all of our volunteers for doing this today. We love and appreciate you all. Can we give them a big round of applause, all the volunteers? Good job, guys. Okay, ladies, thank you. You may exit. Good job.